Okay, if EG is 25, the entire length of the segment here is 25, and point F is 2/5 of the way. I've recopied this whole thing down on the bottom. F is 2/5 of the way. It's not drawn to scale, but we can see that F is a closer distance to E than it is to G. So when it says 2/5 of the way between them, it's closer to E. And so we say, okay, it's 2/5 of the way between E and G means we're going to split this up into fifths. Like that. Not drawn to scale, actually. Not drawn to scale, but if this was split up into fifths and the whole thing is 25, well, what is 1/5 of 25? Or 25 cut up into 5 equal parts? They're each going to be equal to 5. Each one of these little segments is equal to 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, that's the 25. Okay? So every 1/5 of the way is 5 units. Well, if F is 2/5 of the way, that's a 5 there plus another 5. How far is that? Well, that's going to make that segment here be equal to 10 out of the total of 25. And they want us to find the value of FG. And FG is the other 3/5 of the way. Okay? So if it was 5 and 5 and 5, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. F to G must be 15. That totals the 25. And let's just say, okay, 2/5 of, or 2/5 times 25. So it's 1. And we get 2 times 5 is 10. That's that 10 there. The other 3/5 of the way, 3/5 of the total length of 25, divide top and bottom by 5, that becomes a 5, that becomes a 1. We get a 1 on the bottom, which means we just got a whole number. 3 times 5 is 15. That's the rest of the way here, from F to G. So we have a length from F to G, that's what they want. Find the value of FG, segment FG, it is 15, that's C. What you want to be able to do is know that 2/5 of 25 is really 2/5 times 25, which is 10. That gets you from E to F, that's 10, and from F to G is the other 15. We're done.